Hey everybody, it's your girl Mama Bear here, giving you guys a long-awaited tutorial on how to make a magic circle. So here I'm showing you guys that I'm using a 5mm hook today, and I'm just using this yarn that I have. You can use any yarn that you like. I find it to be more helpful when you use bigger yarn, because the bigger the yarn, the easier it is to grasp the concepts of what we're doing here. So let's get started. So first what you're going to do is give yourself a little bit of a tail. You're going to leave yourself some slack down there, and you're going to pin the yarn between your middle finger and your thumb, and you're going to just wrap it around the back and wrap it around the front and make an X like so, like that. So I'm going to do it again just in case you guys need to see it again. So here I am giving myself a little bit of a tail so I can have some space to work with if I need to sew anything on later, and wrap it around the back and around the front and make an X. What I like to do is pin it with my ring finger so that the X doesn't come undone while I'm working. And that's what the back is supposed to look like, and that's going to be the front. Next, you're going to get your hook and you're going to go underneath the right side of the X. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull the left side of the X underneath the right side. So you're going to loop that yarn underneath the right side. Then you're going to hook it over the left and pull the left underneath the right. After you do that, we're going to start fresh so we can get a good sweep on it. So again, go underneath that right side, pull the left side through. You're going to twist your work ever so slightly, just like that. You're just going to twist it to the side, turn your hook to the side like that, and you're going to want to go underneath that left side of the yarn and hook it onto there. So now that you have two pieces of yarn on your hook, you're going to take the left side of the yarn and put it underneath the right yarn. So the two circles that are on your hook, you're going to put the front one underneath the back one. So it can be a little bit tricky. So what I do sometimes is I'll hold down that second circle so it can't move while I go underneath it. And then boom, there you go. I'm going to do it one more time in super slow motion just for good measure, just so you guys know how to do it. So this time I'm going in, but instead of doing it how I did before, I'm rolling my needle around. So I just rolled it instead of twisting it. So it's still the same thing, it's just maybe a little bit easier that way. And then I'm gonna try to show the back side. So I'm looping it over that left side on the back. And now I have two stitches on my hook. And I'm gonna put the stitch that's in the front of my hook underneath the stitch that's in the back. And I'm just gonna do it nice and slow here. See, getting that first hook and slipping it through. So that's all you're gonna be doing. Get that left side on the back hand and slip it through. Sometimes I like to pull it tight so that it doesn't come undone once I let go of all the ends. So in the end, what you should have is a circle with a tail on one side and working yarn on the other side. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and learning how to make a magic circle. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, bye guys!